In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import PST file data in Outlook. If you've backed up your Outlook information before, or someone has shared a PST file with you, importing it into Outlook is a simple way to bring that email, data, folders, and other saved content into your account. I'll walk you through the process clearly so you can follow along without any confusion. To begin, open Outlook on your computer and wait for it to fully load. It's always a good idea to make sure the program is responsive before starting, especially if you have a lot of mail already in your profile. Once Outlook is open, go to the File tab in the top left corner of the window. This will take you into Outlook's account and file management area, where you can access tools related to opening, exporting, and importing data. From there, click Open and Export. This section contains the options you need for bringing outside data into Outlook. After that, click Import Export to open the Import and Export wizard. This wizard guides you through the transfer process step by step, which makes it much easier to avoid mistakes. In the wizard, choose the option to import from another program or file, then click Next. This tells Outlook that you want to bring in data from an external file rather than export your current information. On the next screen, select Outlook Data File, which is the PST format, and then click Next again. PST files are commonly used by Outlook to store mailbox data locally, so this is the correct choice when you want to restore or move Outlook content. Now click Browse and locate the PST file you want to import from its saved location on your computer. Once you find the correct file, select it and click Open. After that, click Next to continue. You'll then be asked to choose the folder you want to import from. If you want the full contents of the PST file, make sure you select the main folder so Outlook can bring in everything underneath it. Then click Next to move forward. At this stage, Outlook will begin importing the data from the PST file into your mailbox or Outlook profile. Depending on the size of the file, this may take a few moments, so be patient and let the process finish completely. And that's it. That's how to import .pst file data in Outlook. Once the import is complete, you can check your folders and confirm that your emails and other Outlook items have appeared correctly.